Kubernetes Recipes, a practical guide of container deployment and orchestration. I just published this book and I'm super proud of it. Inside, there are all the best things to leverage Kubernetes in production. The same technology that Spotify, Apple, CERN, Microsoft use it in every day to leverage millions of servers worldwide. I'm talking about Service Mesh, Carpenter, Custom Resource Definition, Istio, Prometheus, Grafana. Everything is inside. And as you can see, this book is thick. We are talking about 750 pages, but I will reassure that everything is hands-on. It's a cookbook style, so every question have an answer. So there are wonderful books outside about theory. Now it's time to get practical. There is a lot of things, and the book starts with initial chapter talking about the installation, how we can do in our local machine with Minikube, how we can get a little bit more spicy running on public cloud provider, Google, Amazon, and as well also Azure, and how to run a stateless application, how to run a stateful application. We start from the basic, like a pod, namespace, deployment, multi-container, sidecar as well. But what I really like is that we are going a little bit deeper on scalability with Carpenter, and the things are getting more interesting, talking about container image management, AWS ACR, Docker Hub, ZCR, Quay, Harbor, JFrog. I'm really proud that we try to have a future-proof. So we try to include technology that are on the edge, and the best part is networking with Istio. How to manage also routing with Istio, cert manager, external DNS, external secrets, as well also managing software-defined networking, because nowadays when your workload goes to the moon in a busy day like a Black Friday or in a high season sale, you don't want your customer to get some error. And with Kubernetes, you can scale your workload infinitely, as well also managing the newest workload like MLOps, AIOps with Knative, with Kflow, Kubeflow, and there are a lot of interesting use cases, especially with AI, generative AI, that we would love to manage in this way. So the book included a lot of interesting things. We start also Helm package manager, custom resource definition. I'm taking a look that there is a lot of like sidecar container, AppArmor for security, and how to get open telemetry working, because we will love observability in our application and understand how we can improve, how we can get better and better. How to install also in air-gapped environment, because some highly regulated environment need this constraint. But the best part, I believe, it is all around how to manage AI workflow, and also how to get into green IT with Kepler, Kubernetes efficient power level exporter. So we try to build this book for today, but have a view in the future. This book is available worldwide in all the best bookshops, as well on Amazon. I look forward to hear your feedback. Hi.